to my channel. My name is Mariella, and today we are going to be recreating this look right here. Fucking poppin', right? So I didn't include my ponytail in the video, but if you guys want to learn how to do this like high, sleek, super cute pony, let me know in the comments below. So if you want to recreate this look with me, please keep on watching. I did my eyebrows off camera. I like to do them off camera just because it takes me forever to do my brows, and I know you guys can relate. So going on to this look, I am going to start off today with my Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. Next, I am going to apply my foundation, and today the foundation I'm using is the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and I am in the shade 7.75. I love this foundation just because it stays on all day and it sets really beautifully. I love a full coverage look, so this one just gets the job done with just minimal product all over my face. So I just put a little bit on because I like to layer it just so we get a really nice and even finish. Now the brush that I'm going to be using to blend out my foundation is going to be this Sephora 53 brush. Okay, so that is one layer. I'm a little broken out right now just because I just moved and it was just like super stressful. Like if you guys have ever moved, and given that I moved out of state, like it was just a lot for me to do, and I don't know, a bitch has never done this shit before and I was just all over the place. I'm gonna go ahead and add a second layer and then we'll go on to the next step. Now that I got my foundation on, I'm just gonna go ahead and just smooth everything out with my damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I feel like this kind of just like makes the foundation look a little more natural instead of like really cakey on your face. Now moving on to concealer. Today I'm using this Nars concealer. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer and in the shade Medium 2. Then with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender again, I'm going to just blend everything up. And with the brush that we used to blend our foundation, I'm just gonna go in and blend the edges so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, now to set all of that, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish powder in Light Plus. Going to set the rest of my face, and I'm using the Studio Fix powder by MAC, and this is in the shade NC 44.5. So now that we set our foundation, I am going to start my contouring. So I'm going to contour today with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. The color I'm going to be using today is going to be this middle one right here. And I do put some on my forehead. Next, I'm gonna move on to my bronzer, and I am gonna layer it on top of the contour that we just applied. And I'm using the Becca Cosmetics Sunlit bronzer in IPANEMA Sun. I think that's how you say it. So it looks like this. I literally love this bronzer. It's so perfect. This bronzer, I use it every single day. It's my go-to for sure. And I'm gonna use this like random fluffy brush. I don't know. It's like, it fits perfectly into my cheekbones, which is why I'm gonna use it, but it has no brand whatsoever. So I don't even know where this is from. So now we're going to apply our lashes, and the lashes I'm using today are the Baddie Lashes by Jenny69. I have used them already and I love these eyelashes. This is in hashtag INSTAHOE. These look so bomb, you guys. Fucking yes, I love these lashes. Oh my god, I'm literally obsessed with these lashes. Like, I will not wear any other lashes but these lashes, you know. Actually, sometimes I will wear other ones, but let's not talk about that. The mascara I'm using is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I love this mascara. It just gives so much volume and it doesn't have like fallout. The highlighter that I'm using is the Urban Decay highlighter. This is the 8 Hour After Glow powder highlighter in the shade Sin. And I'm going to apply it with this MAC 140 SES brush. I got this in one of those like gift, like holiday gift sets that MAC like comes out with during the holidays. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Fix Plus on the brush, just a little bit, just so it doesn't look so powdery. I want it to look more like dewy on my highlight. Pick up the color. Ooh, look at that, popping. With just a smaller brush, I am gonna spray that too. And I'm gonna go directly into the product again. And I'm just gonna put it on the tip of my nose and down the bridge. And some on my inner tear duct. And under my brow. Now for my lip color, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in the color Nighthawk. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my lips. Now that we have applied our lip color, I'm going to top it off with this lip gloss. This is the Desi x Katy collection, the one that just came out, the friedcation collection. And this is in the shade The Most. It's their collab with Dose of Colors. This is a freaking bomb lip gloss. I saw it at Ulta and I was like, oops, snitch. Okay, we are almost done. So I'm just going to set my face. It's gonna be with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I love this spray because it's gonna just lock in our whole motherfucking face right now. It has a 16-hour hold. I love this shit. And now we are done, you guys. Look at how bomb everything just looks. We look nice and glowy. we did more of like a skin focus, which is what I love. I hope that it was easy for you guys to follow. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will always answer you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I don't know if it's here or here, whatever. Go ahead and hit it so you guys are updated with my most recent uploads. And you know, support your girl. Like and comment on this video. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time.